Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is high mileage. This is a McDonald's going about 9 miles, because clearly I'm the only person able to take this order, even though it's so far away. Also, I'm just gonna call it now. If today doesn't turn out to be a very, very good day right off the bat, it's probably gonna be a short video, because I feel like absolute trash right now. I don't know why. Feels like I got hit by a truck in my sleep or something. I feel all beat up and broken, but we persevere for a little bit at least.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $13. I gotta drive most of the way back, so I would not say that was a good order. Actually, did get an order heading closer to my zone. This is a Starbucks going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $10. Not bad. That one was actually pretty good. Thank you. And got this right away. This is a different Starbucks. This one's $12 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got this right away. This is 2 different restaurants, 2 different customers. We've got Burger King and the Human Bean. I believe the total mileage was just under 6 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. That is one fat cat blocking my way. Hopefully it doesn't run off so you guys get to see it. Hi. Sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. Total for those 2 was $13, and the Burger King did not tip. Very nice. Thank you for that. Next order up, we've got a different Starbucks. This one is going 3.5 miles. Excuse me. Total for that one was $7 and change. And there goes my earn by time, because they just tried to give me 2 different orders back to back that were 14 miles plus. It's been quite some time, and I'm doing a lap around town. Finally got something, which is gonna make me turn around actually, which is kind of annoying, but we got something. This is a muchas gracias, $10 going about 6 miles. Hello. For Jamie. Thank you.
Have a good evening.
You too. Oh boy, I'm already seeing a potential issue with this order. On the receipt it says, customer note, juicy chicken or dark meat, not breast. And then the restaurant writes, sorry, we only use breast. Yeah. Hopefully they don't take that out on me and take away the tip. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $9 going 5 miles. I see a fire truck diagonally ahead of me. I can't tell if it's blocking this lane or not. Please don't be blocking this lane. What is going on? I think it's blocking this lane. Oh boy. Please tell me I don't have to go all the way around. Okay, it's out of the way, I think. We got the green light, but no one's moving just yet. Okay, we're moving. We're not moving. We're moving. We're not moving. Okay, I gotta switch lanes here. Oh, this is so cringe. No, there's a cop car blocking this lane. I still can't tell what's going on. Why is this guy facing the wrong way? I'm so confused. Random truck facing the wrong way on that street. And there's more cop cars further down the road on the other side of the street. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, the car that was blocking me just a few minutes ago is getting towed. Still don't know what's going on the other side. Oh, we're about to find out because I'm heading that direction. Oh, they got in a crash. I wonder if those two situations were related or if that's just a coincidence. Because I only saw one car right there. So here's my crazy fan theory. Those two cars were in a crash and it was a hit and run. So the other one fled and somehow ended on the opposite side of the street, way down the road. But I don't remember seeing any damage on that one, so I'm not sure. Sorry. Yep, have a good day. Okay, if I don't get another order in the next 5 minutes, I'm just gonna go home. Clearly today is not my day. What is this? Wendy's 7 going 16 miles. No, I think I'll pass on that one. 7-Eleven 6 going 9. Nope. Stacked Angels 13 going 10. No. 7-Eleven 6 going 9. Nope. Chick-fil-A 6 going 17. Okay, let's just go home. I am over it. Current time is 8:31. I don't know the current total because DoorDash ended my shift like twice. And I would have to do math, which I can't do right now. Anyways, that's gonna be... Why are you getting pulled over? Okay, this street is just a hot zone for cops today, apparently. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.